How to set up Smart Launcher 6. Now in this video, I'm going to show you method or ways for you to be able to get started and set up your very own Smart Launcher 6. First is of course to download Smart Launcher 6 application. Go into Google Play Store or any app store available on your device and type in Smart Launcher 6 home screen. This is going to be the application that you need to download and install. Once you've done that, open up the app and then you just need to wait for a couple of seconds for this to load, and then in here choose on get started. Now to customize your launcher, you would like to allow calendar, weather, notifications, and then choose on the terms and conditions and hit on continue. Now in here on the dashboard, launcher 6 will provide you details about their premium features, which is going to be additional feature for your feed, your smart widgets, blur effect, wallpaper 3 perspective, and so on and so forth. But if you would like to continue on the free account, just simply close this field right here, and then you get back into this one. If you would like to set this as to default of your home screen on your device, choose this option here, and it will automatically be set it as your default. And that is how you set up Smart Launcher 6.